Alright, good morning guys. Watching CAR, JetBlue. OXY this morning, oil dropping. Warren Buffett came out with news over the weekend. He sold his stake on JetBlue, or not JetBlue though. I'll take that one back. 4 major airlines in the United States. He was saying that he was wrong and a couple of different things. So the market is actually reacting a little bit to the news this morning. I have an open position on JetBlue at 813, and I got a short position there. We can see a little bit of support around the $8 area. It's right now trading around 815. A little bit of a tricky bid and ask here. The spread is being a little bit tricky over the last couple of minutes. I thought that it's gonna be more of a little bit of a flush. Most airliners are actually down over 10%. JetBlue went up, down over 10.1% at some point a couple of minutes ago. Now is only down about 10.2%. We got a minute to the open here. A minute to the open. We have a minute to the open. Watching what JetBlue wants to do. The spread is getting a little wider. Really close to the open here. JetBlue opening up by 11:10 last. 576,000 shares traded so far this morning. Looking for a test of the 8. Probably a little flush under it. "15 seconds. All right, JetBlue dropping. Somebody put in 60,000 shares. 806. Oof, huge size coming in here. See, these people gonna get absorbed right here. Might end up getting a pop though, because 807 is taking huge size. And then we got 805. Trying to hold it around here though. trying to hold it around 807. $804 coming down. Not big, not as big as it was a couple of minutes ago. 10,000 shares, slapping the bid. 10,000 shares at 8. That one getting absorbed right there, dipping through 8. Covered 100 at 8. Under 8 support. 750 around that area, getting a lot of steam at around $8 though. They're holding it right here, dropping fast. JetBlue on the drop, very quick drop here. $7.93, watching that $7.93. $7.93, getting slapped. $7.93. Short sale restriction was slap right there. Gotta watch the $8 though. $7.97 getting slapped. Bit stack at $7.98. We got some people selling right there at 8. $8 getting a little bit of pressure. Looking for a quick dip under 8. Alright, so we got a bounce here. Coming right back down to 8. There was somebody covering that position right there. 20,000 shares, $7.97. 20,000 shares, $7.97. View app sitting 807. Doji coming in 802, coming in, bit getting slapped at 8. 7.99. Guys, I'll put the camera on in a second. I'm actually managing this thing, so just bear with me. Managing this position. I have an open position still. I took out 100 shares on the drop to $8. 50,000 shares right there. $7.97. Somebody put in that big bit right there. See if we're gonna get that absorbed. Keep dropping. Prior low though, it's $7.96. $8 getting slapped. 20,000 share seller at 8. holding it tight around $8 though. They really trying to hold it around there. Coming right back down to 8. Bit stacking again around 803. They trying to hold it around the $8 mark though. Okay, I stepped out on that pop there. Stepped out on that pop. They were holding it way too tight. Okay, that quick flush on the 8 didn't go right away. That quick flush on the 8 didn't go right away on JetBlue. Turn around, right back up. Exited that position right there on JetBlue. Alright, there's the camera on now. For those of you that were missing the face, it doesn't probably look so pretty or nothing like that. I'm just saying. Alright, JetBlue, too strong around $8. Didn't think they were going to hold it so tight around that area. Short sell restriction on JetBlue right now. It's trading on a range. Watching car, OXY. JetBlue returning down. No longer open there anyway. So 30,000 shares being slapped right there at 810. Short sale restriction being enforced already. JetBlue printing a bull flag on the 1 minute time frame. Bull flag on the 1 minute time frame here. Mindful of A17. Oh my god, look at car. Just got halted though. JetBlue held that support pretty strong. CAPR. So I did the right thing. Exited JetBlue. I had an average 813. I took some out on the way down to $8. We dipped here to 796, and then exited the remainder on the way up here. It was holding way too tight around the $8 mark. That we're holding it really tight. Watching NCLH. NCLH. Got JetBlue going higher even there. Watching NCLH though. Airliners moving higher. I really thought that we were gonna drop under 8. I was looking for a quick take on 8 and maybe a 750 area, but look at that, it didn't really work out. I can't say that I'm still green today. I'm still green, but it's such tiny gainer that, you know, it's not such a big deal. But again, the quick flush under 8 didn't really work out. I took I took a couple of cents on JetBlue. On the way down to 8, I took $100 out, 100 shares out. I'm sorry. The remainder I exited on the pop, and now we're having a reversal. DCP, watching DCP, 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 watching DCP, short sell restriction on this one, DCP. OXY going higher, APA, JetBlue held around the $8 mark, pretty strong though. It dipped under it for a couple of minutes and then had a reversal there. I honestly thought that with the news that we had, Warren Buffett, we were going to follow through. But it did not follow through. Quick dip to 8 and then roll over right back to close to 850. All right, trying to roll over right now. Watching the CP, watching DCP. Oh man, I swear I was looking for something a little bit better than on that move on JetBlue. Actually, I bought those shares pretty well. I sent a short sell position there. My short got pretty early. It's like around 8:45 in the morning, something like that. Watching DCP. Key. We got a little bit of an indecision right now on DCP. ANF 6. So a couple of names that I gotta watch here. So I got DCP under 723, has a short sale restriction there. View app is sitting at 728. Okay, I'm watching these names go sideways, and I'm watching DCP. JetBlue is probably not gonna be, the move that I was expecting. It's a quick flush out of the gates to 7 something, 750, 780 something. It didn't happen. So I'm watching DCP now, printing lower highs. I got a 723. The spread is a little crazy though over there. Not something. It's about 8-cent spread, 6, 7, 8 spread, and a 7-cent spread. I'm sorry. I still got DCP on watch here. DCP midstream LP energy sector, oil and gas. Energy sector, oil and gas. Okay, DCP ramping up. All right, so bull flag formation on 1070 key, 1082, 1089. Where's the 11 here? 1096. Get 11. 1087. DCP. Okay, turned out to be kind of slow for what I thought it was going to be. It's quite something though. So I'll open the names and watch. Just sitting on my hands for now. Watching key here. I got key on watch. I still can't believe JBLU held so tight. It's quite something. I didn't really expect that move on JBLU, I have to say. I got key on watch. Key on watch. APA rolling over. JBLU holding there. Got SM rolling higher. SM. I posted this picture last night on the charting thing. On the charting chat. 1071. Still got key on watch. Spider rolling over. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Here we are. ANF and key and watch. Watching 1010. 1010 on ANF. 1010. There's a little bit of resistance at $10.10 on ANF. Topping candle on key. Tapping candle on key. Now 1010 on ANF. Ten resistance being tapped. 1010 resistance being tapped on ANF. JBLU keeps going higher towards that $9 mark. Reversal candle being printed on ANF. Watching ANF, how it interacts with the prior 1010 high. Okay, short ANF 1003. Doji candle on the 5 minutes. We got the 100 simple moving average sitting at 996. Prior low 1004. Slow mover. 1010 resistance. Pulling back from that area there. See how it works out here. Average 1003. Bit stuck in 806. Watching how we interact with the prior 810. Slow mover though. Key finally turned around. Watching ANF around 1011, 1014 right here. Last 1014. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna get out. I'm on the red right now. So all out ANF. All out ANF. Too slow. Everything turned around. A little bit of a slow morning here. Airlines keep on making new highs here. Yeah, I'll pull them back. Watching Macy's. Watching Macy's. Hey, Justine, how are you? Good morning. Didn't see the message there. I apologize. Being kind of entertained here. So my apologies. for not responding quite promptly. Watching Macy's though. Macy's on watch. Bid stacking at 5:30 on Macy's. Watching Macy's. A little bit of selling going through at 5:32 here. AAL pulling back, JBLU pulling back, APAOXY, ANF. $5.28 holding. Watching a possible bear flag formation on Macy's. Bit stack in a 529. Five-minute candle about to close on the Macy's 5-minute time frame here. Be holding it around 530, 529. Here we got a probably low 526. Short Macy's. In the 5-minute time frame at 520. 50 simple moving average 520 and BUAP 517. Bird flag pattern printed here. Bid stack at 525. $522 100 simple moving average. 517 BUAP. Slowing down, 526. Hammer on that 5-minute candle. Bit stacking there. Another possible bird flag pattern formation right here in the 1-minute time frame. Let's see. $527, $528, 100 simple moving average right there. Bird flag formation pattern right here at Macy's. Low 520, 523. Bid stacking a 525. Getting a little bit of consolidation. Gotta be mindful out of this little area right here, because that reversal already came from the highs close to the 550. Seems like the bear, this little flush right here, it's actually slowing down right now. Seems like Macy's gonna get a little bit of support around this area though. Slowing down here. Slowing down here. Looks like Macy's gonna hold. Macy's gonna hold. Holding this area here, we got a prior low on that support 523. And the 100 simple moving average right here sitting at 528. Macy's holding, coming right back up, spinning top formation on 5-minute time frame. Reversal already stopped right here. Reversal already stopped right here. Market slowed down today. I thought that the quick flush that we had on JetBlue was actually going to be a little bit better than it was. And I took a small gain on that one, but then I had a rate trade on ANF and another exit right here, a break even pretty much on Macy's. The market is being a little bit too slow though. A little too slow, to be honest. I expected a little bit better movement today. Bid stack in the 528. Bunch of dojis on the 50 simple moving average, but it seems like that rollover slowed down already on Macy's. Macy's holding the 100 simple moving average, holding on top of the 100 simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame. Got a little bit of indecision right here because on the 1 we have the 50, and we are right now under it, but we just testing the area right here. I think it's probably not gonna the 50 is not going to be that resistance though. I think probably not going to be able to hold it down. So because right now I'm all cash. Took a 8.45 pre-market trade on JetBlue. Towards the 8, I had an average of 8. Let me just go back to the trade to tell you exactly. No, it was 13 cents. Specifics there. I need to go to trade. All right, so JetBlue was an average of $8.13. That was at 8:47 in the morning, pre-market hours, and I exited towards the $8 100 shares at 8:02, and the remaining I exited at 8:14. So I didn't really make much money there. I was a really tiny gain. Then I took an ANF trade short at 10:03, covered at 10:17 for a red trade, and then took a Macy's trade and exited as well. Short sell 5.26 and got out on Macy's at 5.28, so I lost 2 cents per share there. As of right now, I'm all green. Again, I just made a little bit of money on JetBlue this morning. Last week was a lot better, but today is just the first day. So, as of right now, I'm all cash. I'm watching the market being really slow. Not watching any follow through here this morning, especially when I thought the airlines were going to drop some more. As of right now, I'm again out. Red day for me so far. So for right now, I'm down $56 today. Small small loser. Small loser for me. Still keeping them slow, and I mean, still keeping small losers, not letting them run. Not letting them run. Okay, so we got a little bit of an indecision right here on Macy's, but Macy's trading a little bit slow, as well as most of the stocks today. No follow through and a bunch of just consolidation right now, just whipsaw. So for me, I think it will be a lot better and more convenient to just take it easy. Possible bear flag on the 5 on Macy's. Again, trading very, very slow. Not doing much here. Still watching Macy's around 1023. 1023. OXY bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame. Watching Macy's. In the formation of Masons on 15-minute time frame. Still watching Macy's though. Watching Macy's. So, possible bear flag formation on Macy's though. 100 simple moving average sitting at 523. Watching Macy's. Getting support around prior support 523. Watching Macy's, trading is slow. Watching Macy's around 523. At a consolidation around 523. Resistance on this channel 531. Macy's holding that resistance at 523. I mean the support right there on the 5. Watching it still. You see we're about to close this 5-minute candle right here in about 2 seconds. A lot of consolidation around the 523 area. We have a 499 here. A little bit of selling going through at 525. Bid stack in a 523. A little bit of selling going through a 525 on Macy's. Wall of sellers at 525 on Macy's. $14,000 share bidder at 520. $13,000 bidder at 520. Hey Walker, how you doing, Ethan? A little bit of selling going through on Macy's. Short Macy's 522. $10,000 bid at 520. You at 518. All those sellers at 521. Pretty close to the view app. Wall of sellers at 520 on Macy's. 518 view app. $518 view app. Hey Ethan, my trading is actually pretty decent. I started trading around 2013, 2012, something around that area. I'm gonna send you, if you don't mind, a invite here. For those of you that want to come in, there's more than 100 traders there sharing ideas, and that's an invite code for the Discord group. For those of you that want to come in, you're welcome to do so. I share many ideas there with the whole group, and I also send an email. Big bid 518. I share a swing trade list every week, and they trade to the email. I send it to the email every weekend to everyone, and so I share a lot of things with the group. There's over 100 people there. I just started a small account challenge about a month or so ago with $920. So this is the account I'm trading right now, sitting close to 3,000 bucks around that area, 20 some hundred up. So I'm up pretty decently, I would say. Still trading small size because of the account size, but I've been growing it slowly. Macy's, a little bit of a wall of sellers at 519, 10,000 seller 519. You're holding it very tight right here. I don't know why it's not moving, because somebody's is holding it tight around here. Somebody getting absorbed. I think somebody was putting an order through that doesn't show, but once these people get taken out, I think around 517, these 519s are getting soaked here. They're getting soaked here. Red flag pattern on the 1 minute time frame here. Okay, they're getting absorbed. 47,000 bidder at 517. 47,000 bidder at 517. See if this guy gets absorbed right here, and we keep dropping. Yeah. Bear flag pattern on a 1 minute time frame on Macy's here, getting a little bit of, support around this area. They're getting absorbed, holding it a little tight right here. Ethan, I will respond to something I saw you ask me in a second here. I'm trying to read the level 2. Just give me 1 second. A little bit of a wall of sellers at 517. Still bringing the price down. Bid stacking at 515. View up 519. Wall of sellers 516. Moving a little bit slow. Ethan, if you want to, I already sent that email out. I can share the thing with you, and I have many other things there that you can see that I've been posting on the long-term holds, all that kind of stuff. If you want to go into the Discord and check it out, I also will send you then, if you want to, the last email that I sent out yesterday. Again, I'm not charging or nothing. If you want to come through, see it, if it's a fit for you, you're welcome to stay. And if you don't like it, you can just leave the server. It's okay. You don't have to compromise anything. Wall of sellers are 516. Bid stacking right here, 516 now. View app 518. Shooting star formation, 5-minute time frame. It's a wall of 517. Seconds on the 1 minute. Holding here. Gotta watch the 518, the view app here. Another possible bear flag pattern. Gotta lower the prior 516 here. See if we can take 516 out. Back to 515. Seems like we might do that in the next minute. Tapping candle on the 5. See 518 view app. Bit being stack of 517. Macy's hovering around the view app. Got Macy's hovering around the view app here. Bit stack, and I think we're gonna come right back up though. I stepped out of Macy's just now. Let me see exactly where I stepped out here. All right. Macy's a 519. Stepped out of 519 on Macy's. Can't say has been the greatest day for me. As a matter of fact, it has not. It has not. think Macy's gonna go, but it's just trading kind of weird now. A little bit sideways move. I think we were going to be able to drop faster than it actually did, and the bit it's actually stacking here, holding these areas pretty close to the VWAP. If we get on top, we might end up coming right back up. That little reversal already printed, and again, I couldn't be pretty wrong, but as of right now, I'm not holding my Macy's position. Macy's coming right back up. Yeah, I think I was right. I was right. Let me see. Not the greatest of the days for me today. Okay, Macy's actually rejecting here, but we on top of the VWAP. So as a matter of fact, I don't really like that. That push up that we have. I wasn't expecting that. That we were going to be able to, come up a little faster. We get down to 515. So right now I'm not holding Macy's. Small account I started around 3 to 4 weeks ago. And I was $920. So right now getting a little close to 3,000. Now look at that nice reversal on OXY. Macy's still holding a little too tight around this area here. I wanted to see it drop a little bit better, a little bit faster, but it didn't. Bid stack in a 517. Bid stack in a 517. It might come up right here with this little push. Yep. Trading's Macy's. Macy's been trading quite in a weird way in the last few minutes. The market overall has been somewhat not the greatest follow through today, to be honest. I was actually expecting a little bit of a better move on the airlines today. So it seems like Macy's is trying to run down here, just taking a little too long. Seems like we're printing a bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame. It's just being really slow though. I was looking for a 15-20 cent move on Macy's. Really, it didn't really work out too great. Today the market is being somewhat not much a follow through, to be honest. Not much follow through. And so today I'm having a red day, small red day. I squeezed something out of Macy's there, so I was down by like $56, something like that, a couple of minutes ago, and now I'm down with $44. So it's like no money at all, but a little bit better. Again, we have no follow through as of right now. No follow through. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Macy's has been trading so slow. Most of the stocks today, I gotta be honest with you, I really thought that the airlines were going to drop a little bit more than what they did. We can see Macy's another consolidation here. I don't wanna take this trade on Macy's as of right now. This consolidation. It's just being a little bit too much, I will say. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna just cut the stream for here for now. I'm gonna go downstairs and eat something. I'm getting a little hungry, and I'm not gonna take this trade on Macy's. And it's close to midday right now, with just whipsaw all over the place. So I'm not gonna take any chances. I don't see anything that I can play with. A lot of indecision today. If you look at this spider, or the S&P 500, the SPY, speed-wise, just being a total whipsaw today, and there's really not much that I want to do with it. So A and F might end up, hold up, just let me take a look at that real quick. Macy's right now, it might drop, it might go to 5 though, but I don't know, I don't feel so comfortable. And ANF as well, it's been a little bit crazy. Sometimes it's better to let go. Macy's is tapping the 515 support. Bid stacking strong right there, 515. We got 16,000 shares. Bid at 515, 516. See if he wants to drop. That was probably support. It might run though, but again, I don't feel too comfortable though. Still holding too tight around this area. I was expecting a quicker, a quick drop a couple of minutes ago. You know, as of right now, it's holding that 516, 515. He's holding a little bit too strong. So, anyway. $5.15 is being slapped pretty strong. The bid is right there, $5.15, and it looks like they're gonna hold it. Looks like they're gonna hold it. Alright guys, we're gonna keep the conversation rolling on Discord. I'm gonna go downstairs, eat something real quick. I appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Enjoy the rest of your day. So far for me, minus 44. Small losing day here for me. It's so far so good. Still decent. I had a decent Thursday and a Friday last week, and so coming into the week, it's, you know, it is what it is. 5.15's getting absorbed. Might see 5.14's over the next few minutes. So Macy's, it's probably gonna drop here. I'm not gonna take the trade, so if you guys want to do that, go right ahead. Seems like might end up dropping towards the $5. So see you guys later anyway. Take care, guys.